come spend a Brazilian minimum wage at the hair salon with me. Life in São Paulo got me a bit depressed, so I thought, why not blow the salary of the average worker in this city on getting my hair done? Maybe it will distract me from the climate crisis and wars for a bit. This is Sandy, who will embark on this journey with us. Judging by my hair, it's clear I don't often visit the salon and usually opted to dye it at home. Like many independent women, I trickle myself into believing I can handle everything alone to the point of physical and mental exhaustion. Anyway, I wanted a big transformation to go ombre gray with a touch of lavender. Sadly, after a bleaching test the other day, we discovered my hair could not go platinum right now. So here I am, back at Circle's Hair after I annoyed Sandy to the point she agreed to do ombre pink to cheer me up. I love when women support each other's dreams. Look how gorgeous she is. 10 hours later, highlights, treatment, cut, and a pause for lunch, which added to my already costly day. And it's already time to finish my hair and see the results. Suddenly, all the mystery makes life worth living again. Sandy and Jess have brought back my excitement for life on this planet. A beauty day can certainly do wonders. I start praying to the goddess that my hair will still be on my head, using the power of manifestation to attract the gorgeous hair I had pinned on my Pinterest board. Could I be channeling all this energy to manifest peace and equity worldwide? Well, it seems no mystic of manifestation coach has figured that one out yet. Okay, time for the big review, and it's looking good. As Osho said, this moment is so groovy, who cares about tomorrow? Wait, let's add the hat. Now that's a happy witch ready to go home and perform rituals to send love and light to all corners of the globe, while also producing a magazine that raises awareness about critical political issues in a stylish and aesthetically pleasing manner. Remember, if the state of the world has got you down, bed rotting won't help anyone. Get out there, make yourself beautiful, and prepare to challenge the system in your own unique way while you're looking fierce. And if you're looking for a beauty tip, I highly recommend going for ombre because roots are high maintenance. Who knows, maybe soon we won't have the resources for that. Plus, if you suddenly find yourself arrested at a protest or tax incident issue in your spiritual commune, it's gonna be tough to get your roots done in prison. Follow for more apocalyptic beauty tips.